Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and this time we're back on the Jag, and this time we're going to be wrapping the door mirrors and also replacing the indicators with dynamic ones. So yeah, if you remember when I had my Mustang, I actually replaced the indicators with dynamic ones. I'm going to do the same on here because I do like the way they work. I'd love to have dynamic ones down here as well, but I don't think you can get those. But anyway, let's what we need to do is get the cap off the mirror without breaking the glass and get it in the garage and start the wrapping. But before that, look at this I just bought as well. So it's a couple of like metal plates with some sort of long spindles there, but it allows me to get my wrap that was all in the back of the garage on the floor, get it off the floor, get it up there, out the way. So this is the carbon fibre one. I've got the 3M, so I've got some good quality stuff. Strangely enough, they've wrapped this the other way around. So most wraps wrap with the colour on the outside, that's wrapped with the colour on the inside. Interesting. Anyway, let's go get those mirror caps off without breaking that mirror. The first step we need to do is let's angle the mirrors right up so I can get underneath that bottom part to try and leverage the glass out. So it's that one, and so now let's go outside and see if we can get the glass off without breaking it. Okay, so here goes. I'm going to use one of these trim removal tools to get underneath there, just leverage, and hopefully this will click and come off. Yes, that's the sound you want to hear. Now be aware there is two wires on the back, which is for obviously the defrost mirror. It's like it's got a purple wire on the top and a black wire on the bottom, so let's remove those. Got a pair of pliers to help me. What I need to do is keep the tab pressed down. Okay, so I'm going to put the mirror in the car out the way, safe keeping. So now inside, see a few tabs that are holding this cover on. What I'll do is I'm going to just put my tool in there to lift those tabs up, hopefully get the cover off, and I'll show you what tabs I'm talking about when I get the cover off. Okay, so it's only one tab, so it's this tab here. So you just need to release that from that position there. And once you've released that tab, it's just a matter of some clips. So there is no other tabs holding it as such, it's just clips. So you should be able to just get a pry tool under this side, as you saw, just go around and take it off. So that's now off and ready to wrap. So let's get this in the garage. Let's get it wrapped. So we'll start by giving these covers a good clean to get rid of any grime and any bits that are on there. It's time for us now to cut a piece of vinyl that's going to wear. So I know a guy has got an F-Type with actual carbon fibre mirrors. So what I did when I met him, I took a picture of his mirrors. I'll stick that up now on your screen. And I wanted to see which way the weave actually runs on those mirrors, so I can wrap mine in the same direction. So now let's chop a piece off this and get ready to start the wrap. Now just before we start, what we're going to do is going to wipe it down with some isopropyl alcohol, just to remove any sort of grease or anything from our fingerprints that's on there. So now we've got that piece wrapped, and before we fit it back to the car, let's take a look at those dynamic indicators. So here they are, yes. Look at them. So these are tinted as well, so they are black, so that's going to be nice. One goes on one side, one goes on the other. I think that's one I need for that mirror. So let's go take this to the car and have a look how we need to fit these. So you see, here they are. So they're just plugged in here. So we just need to undo that plug, and there's two Torx T10s holding it in. So let's get the plug out, let's get those out. It should now just easily lift out, which it does. And we've got the new one to fit in place. Sure the seal's not trapped, which it isn't. Right, let's get the torque screws back in. Okay, plug it in. And let's give it a test. Lovely, look at that, that's brilliant, I love that. It's way better than the originals. Right, let's get the cover back on and then we can do the other side. So that's the first one done, and it's not bad. It's not 100%, but I like it. So yeah, let's go get it fitted back onto the car. So these appear to be really rusted on, so I'm just going to leave them there like that, out of the way. And now we should be able to get at those clips. Now we know where those clips are. Get your tool just inside the mirror there, move along the edge. That's it. Excellent. So now I'll wrap the other one like this, and before we put the mirror cover back on, let's change over the indicator. And let's give it a test. Lovely. All done, and I have to say these look absolutely awesome. Check out these mirrors.
Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face.
I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me the thumbs up for this video. Till the next time, stay safe.